Welcome to Aiden Clark Learn, your trusted platform for Cisco certification success. In this video, we will cover important infrastructure automation questions and answers designed for the Implementing Cisco Enterprise Advanced Routing and Services 300-410 ENARSI exam. These questions will help you understand real exam patterns, improve troubleshooting skills, and strengthen your automation concepts. Let's practice high-quality exam-style questions to boost your confidence before the real test. Question number 1. Which automation tool is primarily used to manage network devices using YAML-based playbooks? A. Puppet. B. Ansible. C. Chef. D. SaltStack. Correct answer. B. Ansible. Explanation. Ansible is widely used in network automation because it is agentless and uses YAML-based playbooks to define tasks. It simplifies configuration management and automation of Cisco devices, making it highly relevant for enterprise routing and services environments in the ENARSI exam. Question number 2. Which protocol is commonly used by automation tools to connect and configure Cisco IOSE devices? A. CCNP. B. NETCONF. C. FTP. D. HTTP. Correct answer. B. NETCONF. Explanation. NETCONF is a network management protocol used for installing, manipulating, and deleting configurations on network devices. It is widely supported in Cisco IOS XE environments and enables secure, structured communication between automation tools and network devices using XML or JSON formats. Question number 3. Which data format is most commonly used in Ansible playbooks for network automation? A. XML. B. YAML. C. JSON. D. CSV. Correct answer. B. YAML. Explanation. YAML is a human-readable data serialization language used in Ansible playbooks. It allows network engineers to define automation tasks clearly and efficiently. In Cisco enterprise automation scenarios, YAML simplifies configuration management and ensures consistency across multiple devices. Question number 4. What is the primary purpose of RESTCONF in network automation? A. File transfer between devices. B. Monitoring network traffic. C. Programmatic access to network devices. D. Encrypting network data. Correct answer. C. Programmatic access to network devices. Explanation. RESTCONF provides a REST-like API interface for configuring and managing network devices. It enables automation tools to interact with Cisco devices using standard HTTP methods, making it easier to integrate network operations with modern automation frameworks and cloud-based systems. Question number 5. Which Cisco feature allows model-driven telemetry for real-time network monitoring? A. CCNP polling. B. NetFlow. C. Streaming telemetry. Or D. syslog. Correct answer. C. Streaming telemetry. Explanation. Streaming telemetry provides real-time data collection from network devices, allowing proactive monitoring and faster troubleshooting. Unlike traditional polling methods, it pushes data continuously, making it ideal for modern automated enterprise networks, and a key topic in Cisco automation-based exams. These were essential infrastructure automation questions and answers for the Cisco 300-410 ENARSI exam. Practicing such scenario-based questions will improve your understanding of real-world enterprise networking and automation concepts. Stay consistent with your preparation and focus on hands-on practice to strengthen your skills. Pass4 Future is here to support your certification journey with high-quality practice material. If you want to grab the Cisco 300-410 ENARSI exam and boost your chances of passing on the first attempt, visit Pass4 Future and explore our full-length 300-410 practice question. Like this video, share it with fellow learners, and stay tuned for more real exam-style questions that will take your preparation to the next level.